Welcome to Huobi, a leading digital asset trading exchange in the world. Today, I will show you how to take OTC trades on Huobi OTC website.
1. How to buy digital assets. 2. How to sell digital assets.
Currently, Huobi OTC supports BTC, USDT, ETH, EOS, and Huobi token, HT.
And we support 18 kinds of local currencies, as shown on the screen.
If you need to trade with other digital assets, please transfer your BTC, USDT, ETH, EOS, and HT balances to your Huobi Global Exchange account for further exchanges.
Step 1. How to buy digital assets. Firstly, visit otc.huobi.com website.
If you already have a Huobi account, please log in with the existing account information. Click the Login button. Log in with your phone number or email address. Drag the slider to log in. If you do not have a Huobi account yet, click the Sign Up button. Select your nationality, enter your phone number or email address, and click to get an SMS email verification code. Enter the verification code you just received. Set your login password and click the Sign Up button. After login, you can choose to buy, sell from the advertisement posted by users with high completion rate or verified merchants who have digital assets as security deposit, assuming that you are buying BTC. Select the advertisement with your desired price and payment method and click the Buy BTC button.
Enter your desired amount or volume and click the Confirm button. On the order page, please confirm your payment amount, total value, and payment method of this transaction.
You need to transfer money to the seller within time limits. Make sure that you click the I've paid button only after finishing payment.
Here comes a reminder. The corresponding digital assets of the order will be locked by Huobi after you place it. All you need to do is transfer money directly to the seller as per the seller's stated payment methods, such as bank transfer, PayPal, or Western Union. If you have paid to the seller, do not click the Cancel button unless you have received refund from the seller. In the pop-up Confirm Payment window, click the Confirm button.
If you haven't completed payment, do not click the Confirm button, as this will run against the transaction regulations. After you completed the payment, wait for the seller
to release corresponding digital assets.
During the waiting process, you can contact the seller via the chat box or speak to customer support.
When the seller releases the digital assets, this transaction is completed successfully.
Click on Transfer Now to transfer the digital assets to your exchange account. You can also check your purchased digital assets in the Balances page in the upper right corner. Below are some tips for you. 1. If you haven't received the digital assets 5 minutes after clicking I've paid, you can click Appeal, and our customer support specialist will assist in the chat window for further processing.
2. Should there be any other issues or disputes, you can contact support at huobi.pro. Step 2. How to sell digital assets.
Before you sell digital assets, you need to transfer your digital assets from your exchange account to OTC account or transfer in from another platform or wallet. How to transfer digital assets from exchange account to OTC account. Log in with your existing Huobi account information at www.huobi.com. Click on OTC on the top bar. System will direct you to OTC main page, or you can log in OTC website https://otc.huobi.com. When you are at OTC website, click on Balance on the top right corner, assuming that you want to transfer BTC. click on Transfer button. Choose from Exchange Account to OTC Account and fill up the volume you want to transfer. Click on Transfer Now. How to deposit your digital assets from other platform to Huobi OTC account.
Assuming that you need to deposit BTC from platform A to Huobi OTC account. Firstly, find Withdraw button on platform A. Open your Huobi OTC account. Click the Balances button and click the Deposit button for BTC. Click Copy and paste the address into BTC withdrawal bar of platform A. Enter the quantity that you want to withdraw and click the Submit button after confirming the quantity is what you desire. As per stipulations of platform A, you may still need to enter GA or SMS or email verification code for further authentication, and your application of withdrawing digital assets will be posted to blockchain networks. After miners confirm your application, the withdrawn amount will be deposited into your Huobi OTC account.
After transfer completes, you can check your digital assets on balance page. After transfer in or deposit to OTC account, you can start to sell your digital assets, assuming you want to sell BTC. Choose your desired price and payment method. Select the advertisement and click on Sell BTC button. Enter a value or amount. Enter trade password and click the Confirm button.
Wait for the buyer to pay for the order after placing it. And after the buyer clicks the I've paid button, check carefully whether you have received the payment. Click the Confirm and Release button after receiving the payment. Enter trade password, tick I confirm, and click the Confirm and Release button, and the transaction is completed.
If you have any doubts during buy-sell process, please click on the guide on top right corner for more information. Should there be any other issues or disputes, you can contact support@huobi.pro. For safe and reliable digital asset trading, just come to Huobi OTC.